All right, tonight we have Chef Trap with Cooking with Chrissy. So tell us, what are you making?
I don't like to talk in the mic.
Oh my gosh.
Jeez. Well, tonight we're having some pineapple salmon.
So what salmon? Sorry?
Pineapple salmon.
Oh.
Yes, this is the first part of it. We're just gonna let it bake first for a few. Then we're gonna take it back out and we're gonna put the special pineapple sauce over it.
Okay.
Then we got here some pork ribs. Already marinated since morning, so it's gonna be very flavorful.
Ooh, okay.
I'm about to put it in here also to bake
Okay.
while we have the other stuff brewing up. So everything finishes at the same time. So everybody can eat in about an hour and change.
All right, so we'll check back with you, okay? Okay, so explain to us, what are you doing right now with this meat? First of all, what is this?
This is pork ribs right here. So all the pork people, this is pork ribs. Don't worry about the rasta and the hair and everything. I pork.
And tell us what's marinated with the pork.
So we got it in a special season. I like to make my seasons different depending on the meat and how I'm feeling. So right now we have a Mount Gay. Yeah, I like to make my juices very special depending on the type of meat. This one here with the pork, I'm looking for a tangy yet with a punching kick. So I got a little Mount Gay from Barbados. The big Mount Gay from Barbados. And I infused it with some Corona from Mexico. So it's gonna taste different. It's gonna kick.
All right, I'm super excited. So we're gonna be back in a few minutes. All right, so we're back with Chef Trap, and right now explain to us, what are you doing to whatever sauce that is.
We have a topping for the salmon. It's a pineapple infused with some Barbados rum again, some cockspur.
Oh!
With some Casamigos. Need the tequila in there. An extra kick again. And the pineapple is crushed. So when you get that flavor and that taste and that texture.
Nice. Okay, I'm super excited. Please zoom in on this sauce right now. All this greatness going on. Stay tuned, guys.